Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Magtame magnetic charging data cable and the Magtame magnetic 3-in-1 cable. This is also magnetic as well. So this is known as O cable because it's a round cable. This is known as a C cable because it's a flat cable, I believe. I'm going to double check that anyway. So this one is a Thunderbolt one, so it costs a bit more, but it's worth it because you get 20 gigabytes of download speed while transmission, and you got 100 watts of charging power. So this is a 2-meter cable, so it's a 3-in-1 cable, black, type C to C, which is good. It's been tested quite a few times, so that's the durability of it. It's USB 3.2, which is really fast, 100 watts of charging power, 20 volts at 5 amps, data transmission at 20 gigabytes per second. You can do 8K at 60 FPS or 60 Hz, or 4K at 144 Hz, which is probably very good for gaming. Video and audio outputs in 4K. And yeah, let's have a look. This is the first cable. Wow, that looks nice already. But yeah, look how nice that is. So nice and rounded. This is a regular cable. Well, look at that, all tangled and everything. Look at this one. Oh, you can actually feel the magnetic. That's mad. Can you see how it goes back to place? Oh, that is mad. Watch this. Oop. I like it. Oh, this guy's sick, you know. Ooh. It's like a little toy to play with. Wow, I like that. Nice and neat as well. Wow, I'm impressed. And this will be very handy actually. If you're a gamer, this is very handy, because you can stick this to the side of your table like that, like a metal table. When you need it, pull it out, plug it in. Everything's nice and neat. If you're a tidy freak as well, even better. So this is the USB normal one, the micro USB, I believe. Let's have a look. Oh, okay, so I'll show you what the O cable is. So this is a O cable. So O cable is just a normal cable like this. Can you see the rounded ones? And this is known as a C cable because it's a flat cable. Can you see how it's flat? Oh yeah, I love how this one's nice and it's got more of a clean look to it because it's flat. So yeah, I wonder where the magnet is. I think it's actually in the actual cable. Let's see, can I pick up this cable? Yeah, I can with that. Look. So the magnet's not very strong, where it's going to be a problem to your other technologies. So that's good. But it's good, it's strong enough to hold on to stuff and grab stuff, you know. That's really good. And then this one's nice as well. Let's see. So if I let go now, what's gonna happen? Oh, so you still have to roll it a bit to get it back in shape. Because like I said, the magnets are strong but not too strong. Wow, that's really impressive. Wow, I could say they're pretty damn good. Thank you Magtame for sending this out to me. Really appreciate it. This cable's amazing. So yeah, very good. This one, very powerful. So this one you can use on your MacBook because it's got Thunderbolt, but I'm going to be using it just for data transmission, just because of how powerful this is. So I've got USB-C to USB-C M.2 external drive. This will get you the max speeds out of that with the Gen 4. So yeah, or Gen 5 I think so, no, I'm not sure, we'll have to check. But yeah, it is a bit heavy, which is good. Got a bit of bulkiness to it. And yeah, I'm very impressed. Would I recommend these cables? Definitely, because who the hell wants a mess like that when you can have this? Do you know what I mean? Miles better. So definitely worth the money. And yeah, you can play with them. They're pretty fun. There's different types of cables as well, different colors you can get as well. Go check all that out. I'll leave all the links in the description. Thank you again, Magtame, for sending this out to me. Appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See